From not being able to do a single power trick to breaking the 5th best fishing world record in 12 months, if I did not stop doing this one thing, I would have improved way slower and would probably be barely able to do 1 5th best fishing now, let alone 250. If everyone stopped doing this, then pen spinning would be a much larger hobby with more really good spinners. A large reason why pen spinning has been dying is because most people are garbage but think they're the best, so they stop improving or contributing to the community. What is this one thing? This one thing that is stopping spinners from reaching their potential? This one thing may sound counterintuitive, but you must stop watching tutorials if you actually want to improve. Now when I say tutorials, I don't mean videos of a trick or link in slow motion that you can copy. That's completely different from what you should use to replace tutorials instead. When I say stop watching tutorials, I mean stop watching the longer videos of people explaining how to do a certain trick. The kind of videos that include content such as, place your middle finger here and move the pen around this way so you feel the push around your flag like a triangle swimming of a cylinder. You might think, how in the world is this going to make me better? Aren't well-explained videos helpful so I can get detailed explanations for things? Sure, you can use tutorials for the fundamentals, but not every trick has a tutorial, and there are no tutorials for being a good, well-rounded pen spinner. The best and most important skill you can get good at is copying tricks and links from video. With this skill, you can improve yourself from bare fundamentals to being a world tournament level pen spinner, and you can do this all on your own without having anyone guide you. You can train in the shadows, having no one know of your existence, but then win the world tournament becoming the best pen spinner. Constantly consuming tutorials inculcates you to be spoon-fed all of your information, which hinders your ability to actually improve on your own. As the old saying goes, give a spinner a tutorial and you feed him for a day. Teach him how to copy and you feed him for a lifetime. You might say, okay Tilt, but how do I even learn how to copy? Where do I even begin? The further along your pen spinning journey you've gotten relying on tutorials, the harder it will be to transition away from them onto copying tricks just from using your eyes. So the earlier you start learning this copying skill, the better. Now let's try and copy a trick. Go on and get a pen or balanced pen-shaped object and try this right now if you want this video to actually work for you. Got it? Alright, now here's the video to copy in 3, 2, 1. Did you see that? Maybe that was a little too fast, so let's watch it again in slow motion. If you already know how to do this trick, just bear with me and still follow along as the steps of copying are similar for other tricks. Here's the trick again. Notice every little detail of where the fingers are, how it's being pushed, how many rotations there are, and how many finger slots there are. To get a better understanding of the finger slots, notice where the fingers are on each side of the pen. What do I mean by this? Let's pause here and we can see the index and middle finger are on this side, when the ring and pinky fingers are on that side. We can also see that the index and pinky fingers are the only ones touching the pen. If we continue, we can see the pen passes in front of the middle and ring fingers so that the pinky and middle fingers are now on this side, when the index and ring fingers are on the other side. Now we can see the pen rotate into this finger position at about this much through the rotation. Let's watch it again and really try and copy everything as accurately as possible. If you really want this video to help you improve, copy the following tricks and links I'm about to show. I'm not going to say what the tricks are, so you're just going to have to rely fully on your eyes. Did you copy them? If you didn't even try, then what's the point in watching this video? If you want to see super fast improvement, copying is the fastest way to do so. If you want countless linkages to copy for free, check out my series called Spin These Weekly Linkages where there's a linkage posted every week. If there's anything you want me to cover in a future video, let me know. Thanks for watching. See you next time.